can barely even see him, eh?
No lights. Oh, he's got a
Little
light.
flicker. I wish they wear short pants over there. Oh, there's plenty of life in here. This guy here, Roger, he's going to be shitting himself when he finds out he's left his window open.
Oh, no.
Yeah, passenger window's wide open. I've done that. You have to go a fair way in, I think. Oh, bait fish.
That's handy, you got a little screen on the front as well.
What, that?
That GoPro.
What? Yeah,
You see what
so you can do your
recording?
selfies. So, like, I don't know. It's got a narrow screen on it, so it's hard to. But this is our game plan. We're going to belt down to Murra, hit that with the start of this run, then we'll come up and do all these moored boats and jetties.
Sounds like a plan.
Yeah.
Yeah, sons are welcomed.
Oh, feel that. Oh, it's 5 degrees warmer here. There's a reef here. I don't know if you've ever fished this with me or not. It's like a little, see that stick sticking out there?
Yeah, I fished it with Nathan and he got his like a 85 centimetre flathead off it.
Yeah, well, it holds some really good bream, and especially when there's a run going through it. But everything you throw at it, you're going to get snagged. Even a shallow diving chubby, you'll get snagged. It's an evil reef. I got a surface lure on. We only hit it for 5 minutes. So, like worm hook, rubber, or a surface lure is probably the go. This season, I started using this reef as a testing point. I found if I get a hook up here, I fish the outside of the river. If I don't get a bite like we had now, I'm going to go in to the bay. And that seems to be the case. If they're biting out here, the whole outside edge will fire, and if they're not biting in here, they're in there. So I'm going in there now. Oh, this reel's got the squeak going again. Yeah, they look good, don't they? Good colour. I was going to change this reel. Now, it was dead set silent. Now it's gone squeaky again. How's that work? Yeah, go. Oh, I wanted something a little bit bigger than that for dinner.
I'm just getting harassed by a little.
What is illegal? Oh, you're too small for me. You're a lucky flathead, mate.
Yeah?
No, not yet. I actually watched the original Squidgy video where Steve Starlin holds the fish like that. It's the only thing I've ever learned off the guy. And see how it just can't actually, I can only go forward. Oh, where'd my little gulp go? Oh no.
Nah, when you poured him out, it wasn't in there.
It was on the line.
Oh.
Oh, it looks good. Where are you, fishy? I actually fancy myself more on those washboards behind this round pipe. I'll come into it, I'll just fish in this and then I'll go in closer. Oh, a little one on. Little tiny one. Surely there's not a big, fat, juicy flathead, at least in that. Yep. Oh, you little turd.
I know that pass.
Yeah, he took off, but it honestly was not what we want. Dinner, chicken dinner. Yeah, got dinner. Yeah, you just woke up, didn't you? I don't have a net. Oh, I want you bad, man. You look so delicious. Don't. Get up here, get it. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Yep. It's funny, those little sprinkler setups have always got these guys on them. Now I don't want to lose the fish. Hop in there, buddy. Hey, mate. I'm just wondering if I've got the ability to actually fish in between those two racks. They're pretty skinny. I'm going to give it a go. There's racks both, there's trays both sides. There's a bite, there's a bite. Oh, why didn't I get him? Yeah, oh! They're in here. They're in here. That's not what I wanted, but it's a good one to get you going. But the last one I reckon was the same. This noisy reel's doing my head in, and honestly I was all set to change it. And now I'm too set in my ways to do anything. Oh, and there's got to be one at the end of this. You got current, you got trays.
Bodies everywhere.
Yep, you got the bait fish.
Oh, the little flat dog.
Flat dogs. Oh. Oh yeah, Roger. I'll try and drive the boat out for you. Just hold him, hold him. You got him around the side?
I got him. Damn it.
Have you got him? In the boat. Flip him in the boat. That's what we come for. We decided to do 1 hour. Oh, that's the one, Roger.
Got it.
That's the one.
Oh, look how fat he is.
Redemption.
Woo.
Redemption. Well done, man. I am so proud of you. There's a reason we call it getting Rogered, because we watch a bloke called Roger that doesn't pull in those big fish. Oh, I'm so proud of you, Roger.
I'm happy with. Remember, I was literally 5 minutes ago. Oh, I'm going to turn suicidal and throw light crap.
Mate, I am so proud of you. You did everything right, and I actually delayed the boat. I could have pulled you out a bit better, but I mean, come on, Roger. Well done, man.
I like the biggest hands in the world.
Oh,
too.
I forgot I got my fish. Well done, man. Good on you.
Thank you very much, champion.
That's why I was so impressed, because you actually held, you didn't drag him across the wood. You held him, you got control, you dropped back, you give him an inch, he swung out and you got him.
Yeah,
well done.
He'd, try and take off, but he did, but he went the wrong way.
Didn't he? What?
Went the right way for me. So many times I don't know why I think I'm out in the open and in the clear.
Yeah, I know. We watch you, Roger. You relax, and then the fish turns around and takes you back
Yeah, I
in.
think I've done all the hard stuff, but it's not in the boat.
Yeah. Look at that, we're churning up mud. We're in less than 1 foot of water. I think we've got enough just to get us another run through here. Oh, that was him. So as that tide drops, I think they're going to just sit on these washboards, like bang up. Might go over there, give it half an hour and then come back. As long as we can get the boat in. I should have had that fish. I didn't have the camera running, so I backed off the hook set. Dang. This could be interesting. That's alright, the boat can sit like that, Roger, on this.
Oh, I keep forgetting you got that rubber ring.
Rubber ring, yeah. Try it, it's definitely a good brim just there. He wouldn't have gone anywhere. Oh, that's ticking my line. Yep. A little one. Okay, they're stacking up on these washboards, mate. Oh. I think that other one was a lot better than him, so. Do you reckon that fish got your leader then, or was it a...
I can feel there's like bumps.
Yeah.
Maybe like the rails are gone, but
Yeah.
the post.
Yeah, exactly.
And I can feel rubbing through there on the first shoot cast.
Because I was going to say, you get that hook up and you ping before you even know what the fish is. Often that's like just a left turn straight across an oyster. Well, he took it, he flew off with it.
I actually like going through the comments on your videos.
Oh, there he was. Oh yeah, well I don't touch them. I don't go near to my comments. Geez, that could be loaded with fish in there and I don't know if I can get my boat in. Well, what do you read?
Oh, heaps of funny stuff, like dudes asking, you know, what the lure is, and some other bloke seems to know.
That's the bit I do like about the comments. I like people commenting to each other.
It becomes like a farm.
Yeah, I like that. There's a lot of guys been watching me forever. They know what I'm doing, and that's 2 casts with a plazzy. Missed 2 good fish.
I hope our mate Andrew Fisher is going to be watching this video, watching how it's done.
Oh yeah, Andrew's going to see you not Roger a fish.
He seems to be loving that.
I got to take that fishing crabbing and yabbing guy out. I'm going back to plazzy. They're here. I'm gonna have to set a blade up. I think we're just going to run out of water. But I've got to sit down one day and thank all of this, a whole heap of Aussie YouTubers now, and they all comment on that, and I'd never reply. I should. Yep. I thought I actually worked the pattern out then, but no. I think I just worked something out though. It's the shake. You know, we were talking about dead stick before? Just shake them in. If there's a fish there, give it like 10 seconds to come to it. Right. You know all the other YouTubers have got the merch and they plug their stuff and everything?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, we've got merch too now. We call it job site merch. When we turn up at work and if there's a really cool jumper on the scaff from the night before,
oh yeah,
goes into our merch line. But if they're here, you could just teabag that shadow. They're only going to be in the shadow, so. That's what I like about it. And there's that much bait and food here for them.
like this on the thing too.
Yeah, see the water washes under the washboard and it leaves a little, you jump there, it's probably about 4 foot, where just here on the rails it's 1 foot. And if they are here where you get your first bite is the start of them. You don't want to, once we get that, then we really slow down. Until then we just belt through them. You only need 1 bite to tell you whether they're here or not. Yep. Oh, I had him, backed off, and he spat it. See, picking it up, dropping it, picking it up, dropping it. Got him. Little flat, little brim. Now, see, that's where we want to keep it going real slow now and just harvest these buggers. Now, those split, pliers are right behind you, Roger. It's alright, actually. It was a bit just bordering on illegal. Why'd you do that? Oh no, there's blood oozing out of him. Can't show that on YouTube. Look at it, it's all over my shoes.
Unless there's a Karen watching.
Oh, he's dead. Maybe do you want to just grab him, throw him in the well? You don't want to waste a good fish. Got smack there. No, little bream. Took a lot of shaking. Like they're all. You got to shake them up, don't you? They're not actually chasing anything. Yep. Oh, come, see, he had it. Spat it. Spat it again. Look, I don't think there's a very big fish, but all the fish seem to be biting on the same pattern of just that little bit of a shake. Get a hit? Oh, no. I've got one. Little Brent. They're all too small. Yep. Oh, it's dropped another one. See, it's a shake.
What's he got on there? It's fine.
A little crabby. Got him that top. A little bit better. It's that shake though, they're little, like they're not coming to a draw at all. Here's a nicer one. Shaky, shaky. That's what, like I'd normally be using a blade on them. So, right, I'll just trawl across this flat as we're going out, just see if I can pick up one half decent flathead. It didn't take long. Doesn't feel like me flathead though. Silver. I don't want one of them.
Taylor Swift.
That's what I mean, like imagine if we were out here trawling them up all day, how long would you last?
What?
Oh yeah, big seagull, hold on. Can you see it? Where is he? Oi! He's watching it. Oh, nice and straight. We'll do 10, 15 boats, see how it goes. G'day mate, how are you?
Catching anything?
We went down Murray in the racks, we got a few, but just ran out of water. So we're hoping they were under your boat.
I got a couple of juries this morning about so big.
Did ya?
Yeah, they got around up dozen yesterday, about 800.
Oh, so they're here?
Yeah,
Oh, unreal. I might put a bigger vibe on. Thanks, man. Oh my goodness, we just fished 100 boats for that. Well, that sort of says they're not here. They're here, but they're not here. Be an eater. Oh. All I wanted is a feeder flathead today. I've got one decent one. And every other one's been a runt.
All girls eat flatty?
Nah, just me. Oh, and me and Jen.
Out of touch.
Yeah, with the girls, like I love my salami. So when they were little, I told them, they were like, "What's that?" I said, "Donkey." So they think all salamis are made out of donkeys and horses. When it comes to prawns and seafood, I've got them so they just do not want to eat it. It's like giving strawberries to pigs. Come on, just a couple of decent flathead will do, mate. Just target these big boulders if we come up to them, I think. Oh, there's another one. Oh, yep, there's my flathead. Oh yeah, there's a good one. There's a good one. That's what we wanted. He's only just a good keeper. Like, he's not huge, but that's the ones we want. They look beautiful coming out of the water like that. Nice. Oh, it looks like we'll get my feed of flatties anyway. No, he's about the same as that other one I got. Oh, there goes my crabby. Why do they do that to me every time?
We got them in spades, so don't worry.
Oh, I know, but it's just the principle of it, you know? That's what, 2 casts, 2 flatties? Behave yourself. There goes my line. Hey. Look, do it the easy way or the hard way, mate. You're not going there. There's water in there, look. There's a camp, there are tender boats there and the yachts there. Nothing's been touched for a long time. Honestly, these people could have died up here and no one would know. It could be timber, eh? Look at the middle. Alright, how do they get up there? You're gonna have to drive for a while, man. I'm going to have a walkabout. Free climb. Hello? Anybody home? Knock, knock. Knock, knock, you home?
What do we got?
Ah, you know what they are, Roger? Dope growers. I tell you what though, what a spot. We might have to claim this. And there's the cast iron pipe. Water, chairs. Nice. Oh, zip. Oh, antique motor. Awesome. Oh, me want this. Look at that. I tell you what, if you sat here for an afternoon just blading off this rock, you would never starve.
It's going to be tricky to get down here.
No, not at all. We'll do it. You alright? Drive us in. And then just do a hard left. Or you're right. No, the other way. Yeah, that's it. Now just wait till it drifts around. As soon as you hook it, now do it. Nah. Yep. Okay. Grab that. Beautiful. Too easy. Ready, steady. Too easy. Well, we'll just stick one in here.
They have a little reservoir running with here for all the water cold.
Yeah. Yeah, they freeze as they go.